Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Charita from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Computer Science Department. In this video, I am going to talk about application layer overview from the subject Computer Networks. Now, let's see about the application layer. Here, application layer overview. The application layer is topmost layer in the Open System Interconnection, that is OSI model. This layer provides several ways for manipulating the data, that is information, which actually enables any type of user to access network with ease. This layer also makes a request to its bottom layer, which is presentation layer, for receiving various type of information from it. The application layer interface directly interconnects with application and provides common web application services. Now let us see the functions of application layer. Application layer provides a facility by which user can forward several emails, and it also provides a storage facility. This layer allows user to access, retrieve, and manage files in a remote computer. It allows user to log on as a computer as a remote host. This layer provides access to global information about various services. This layer provides services which includes email, transferring files, distributing results to the user, directory services, network resources, and so on. It provides protocol that allow software to send or receive information and present meaningful data to users. It handles issues such as network transparency, resource allocation, and so on. This layer serves as a window for user and application processes to access network services. Application layer is basically not a function, but it performs application layer functions. Next, here the working of application layer. In this OSI model, this application layer is narrower in scope. The application layer in OSI model generally acts only like the interface, which is responsible for communicating with host-based and user-facing applications. This is in contrast with TCP or IP protocol, wherein the layers below the application layer, which is session layer and presentation layer, are clubbed together and form a simple single layer, which is responsible for performing the functions, which includes controlling the dialogue between computers, establishing as well as maintaining as well as ending a particular session, providing data compression and data encryption, and so on. At first, client send a command to the server, and then server receives that command. It allocates port number to client. Thereafter, the client sends an invitation connection request to server, and when server receives request, it gives acknowledgement. This is denoted as ACK. To client through client has successful established connection with the server, and therefore now client has access to server, through which it may either ask server to send any type of files or other documents, or it may upload some files or documents on server itself. Here you can see the application layer protocol. Here, the application layer protocol is between the client and the server. It is mainly depend on both the client and the server. Next, here is some of the features provided by application layer protocols. To ensure smooth connection, application layer protocols are implemented the same on source host and destination host. The following are some of the features which are provided by application layer protocol. The application layer protocol defines process for both parties which are involved in communication. These protocols define the type of message being sent or received from any side, that is either source host or destination to host. These protocols also define basic syntax of the message being forwarded or retrieved. These protocols define way to send a message and to accept respond. These protocols also defines interaction with the next level. Next. Next here we'll see about the TCP IP model. Here the TCP IP model plays a very important role in the application layer where all the activities will be depending upon this model. The OSI model we just looked at is just a reference or a logical model. It was designed to describe the functions of the communication system by dividing the communication procedure into smaller and simpler components. TCP IP designed and developed by the Department of Defense. Department of Defense, that is DoD, in 1960s and is based on standard protocols. It stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Here TCP or IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. The TCP IP model is a concise version of the OSI model. It contains four layers, unlike the 7 layers in the OSI model. Among the 7 layers, the TCP IP model contains the 4 layers. The number of layers is sometimes referred to as 5 or 4. Here in this article, we'll study 5 layers. The physical layer and the data link layer are referred to as one single layer, as the physical layer and or network interface layer in which 4 layer references. And here there is a diagram of the TCP or IP model. Here computer A sends data and computer B receives the data. Here from the computer A, it will go through the data will go through the application layer, and then it is moved to the transport layer, and then internet layer, then network access, and then from the network access of the sender data to the network access of the receiver computer, and from that network access to the internet, and then it will go to the transport and then the application layer, and then lastly it will go to the computer B. Like this, the data will be sent from client to the server or from sender to the receiver. This is about the TCP model. Here it contains the application layer, transport layer, internet, and network access. These are the components in which it includes in the TCP or IP model. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.